Hi guys, if you want to know how to make your boho look this full and nice, keep watching. I have a lot of tips and tricks on how to make it look this beautiful. The hair I'm using here is called boho curls, and we will be using 3 bundles of the color 30 in 20 inches. This hair is so nice and full, and it doesn't have any of those short pieces, so it makes it a full look when you braid with it. If you're interested in buying this hair, I'm going to have the link in the description box so you can purchase it. So what I like to do is section my client's hair into 2 sections, separating the back from the front. It makes it easier for me to part it. So in this case, she's getting small, so in the back I'm going to put 2 rows, and then in the front I'm going to put 6 rows on each side of the head. So the first tip I'm going to give you is add the human hair only once or twice in the back rows. So for example, she's getting mid back, so I'm going to add the human hair only 1 time. If she was getting waist length, then I will add the human hair 2 times. This technique will allow you to save as much hair as possible for the front area where you need all the fluff and all the fullness to be. So the second tip that I'm going to give you here is when you get to the top area of the head, you have to make sure you add in the human hair right away so that the fullness of the hair starts from the root and not at the tip. In this case, as you can see, the first piece of hair that I'm adding is the synthetic hair, and the second piece that I'm going to add is the human hair. So basically the human hair starts right there when the braid is also starting. Notice how full the hair is already looking from the root to the end. And the third and final tip I'm going to give you here is when you get to the top of the hair, the last two braids in the middle, you want to add the human hair pieces on both ways so that the human hair is falling on both sides of the braid. This will create such a nice and full look, and it would also close up the parts very nicely. And there you have a beautiful and full bohemian look. And this color is so appropriate for the fall season. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment for me and I will answer them. Also, the hair is safe to dip in hot water, so that's what we're going to do right now. And if you can hear my son's voice in this video, I'm so sorry, y'all, because I cannot get him to be quiet. So, yeah, this is the look. And if you're interested in purchasing the hair, click the link in the description and you should be able to find it. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.